Looking to keep you and your clients' accounting up to date with Vendasta? Vendasta's flexible and powerful integrations capabilities allow you to send data to almost anything. Hi, I'm Jacob, and today I'll show you examples of how you can integrate Vendasta with QuickBooks to help you do things like include your clients' QuickBooks data in the executive report, keep your customers' records up to date, create and send invoices, or manage access.
Small and medium-sized business owners love using Business App. Not only do users get automatic and insightful reportings on things like their online presence, but they also have one-click access to products and services essential to running their business, like QuickBooks. Your customers can connect their existing QuickBooks account by going to the Business App Connections page under Settings and logging into their existing QuickBooks account.
If you're looking to send data from Vendasta to your QuickBooks account, then there are a number of options available to you, whether you're a seasoned developer or working with no-code platforms.
You probably don't want all your leads created in your accounting software before you start working with them, but you also don't want to duplicate the process of creating a customer in QuickBooks when it's the time to invoice them. We can use Vendasta's automations to create a customer in QuickBooks when it's the right time for us. For example, we can create an automation in Vendasta to trigger when an opportunity is changed to a pipeline stage in a specific pipeline. For this one, I would choose the proposal stage. We'll then trigger a webhook to send our account information out to QuickBooks. Use the additional fields to include all the information you'll want in your accounting software, like the business name and address. Before you close out this step, make sure to turn on data passing so you can specify a return value. You'll want to get the ID value returned as a string. This is how you'll identify the customer in QuickBooks later. Finish off this automation with the action Modify Custom Account Data so you can store the QuickBooks ID on the account. Whether you are coding using QuickBooks API or using a third-party integration service like Zapier, the only thing left to do is send the webhook to QuickBooks. Now with this Vendasta customer in QuickBooks, we're going to create an invoice from a Vendasta order and wait until the invoice is paid to activate the products. We're going to trigger our automation when a sales order from any source is changed to scheduled activation, but feel free to use the source and status that makes sense for your workflow. Once the automation is triggered, we'll send a webhook with an additional field we'll call raw body with the value raw order data from our trigger. It is going to send a lot of information, but we're mostly concerned with the line item detail. You'll take the line item data from the order to create the invoice in QuickBooks with the correct products and prices. We're doing this by connecting the app ID in Vendasta with the QuickBooks SKU. In our Vendasta automation, you will choose the action Delay until an API is triggered for this order, and let the delay step wait for a standard amount of time, like 14 days, for example. On the Event Happen side of our automation branch, when the QuickBooks invoice is paid, we can add the step Activate Products for the order, and our customers will have their products and services activated automatically. On the Event Didn't Happen side of our automation, when the invoice doesn't get paid in time, we're going to choose the step Decline the Order, so no products get activated. If you want to, you can even send a notification to your salesperson so they can check in with the customer. No more headache managing unpaid invoices.
Finances aren't always fun, but I hope this got you excited about the possibilities available to save you time and money when you connect Vendasta with QuickBooks.